The bird who forgot how to sing. The forest woke to the gentle flow of the stream and the cheerful songs of birds. Percy walked beside the quiet lake where kindness once found him. On a low branch sat Fona, the bird who once helped him, now silent. The lake remembered her song, even if she didn't. There, he noticed her silence. He walked closer, his steps slow and gentle. He didn't ask her to sing or question her silence. Instead, he stayed. In the gentle quiet, Fona felt less alone. Percy let out a gentle sound of his own. And Fona, feeling encouraged, slowly opened her beak. A small, trembling note escaped her beak, growing braver as Percy listened with care. Slowly, her song returned, filling the forest once more. She sang again, not because she was pushed, but because she was supported. Sometimes, support means simply staying,